Hey guys, I'm back with one more video. So this Chromebook CB5-311 Acer, the issue is the sound does not come through the headphone, so the headphone doesn't work. No matter, even though it's plugged in correctly, you're not able to hear anything through the headphone. The issue is the audio jack needs to be replaced. It's very easy to replace the audio jack. I'll show you. If you're able to fix your issue going through the steps, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.